Hi my dearest friends. In this video I want to show you how you can see your own aura, which is a biofield around your own body, in 5 simple steps. Step number 1 is you need to stand against a white wall or neutral color wall. Step number 2, you need to take a mirror. Any mirror will do, just small mirror like that is good enough. Step number 3, you need to relax by taking 3 deep breaths. And when you're breathing, you need to focus on the middle part of your body, like that. 1, 2, 3. Now I feel totally relaxed and centered in the middle part of my body. Step number 4, I need to look in the mirror, and when I look in the mirror, I need to focus on this part, or on the middle part of your forehead. So just I'm looking at myself and I'm just focusing on this part of my face. And keep breathing naturally and slowly. And focusing on this part. Step number 5 is to see your own aura. You will see your own aura using your peripheral vision. So not direct vision. Direct vision, you will look into your forehead. But your peripheral vision. Peripheral is something what's on the side. So you're not looking on the side directly. But you see the glimpses of colors. Glimpses of your own aura. What it means. What color means, and what kind of, maybe you see sort of density, contaminations, or something else you can see in the aura, I will tell you in another video. But these are 5 steps how to see your own aura.